Hi viewers, welcome back to Mr. Arshi Shekhar World's Weather Channel. In this video, massive landslide caused by heavy rain in Paisalawa in West Sumatra in Indonesia. Floods and landslide in Aceh, North Sumatra and West Sumatra in Indonesia has increased to 174. Another 79 people are still missing and 12 people were injured according to the National Disaster Management Agency in Indonesia. A sudden flood this morning destroyed the Gunung Nagau project bridge in the city of Padang, West Sumatra province, completely cutting off the land route between the Puch and Koranji areas in Indonesia. On 27th November, flash floods mixed with heavy mud flow swept through the Tapanuli, Saibolaga, Aceh and Padang in Sumatra, Indonesia.
Kabel listrik tumbang belum. PLN matikan lo. Setrum lawe dia. Lawe.
Suami anak nak tahu di mana. Awak dia sebatang seri gua. Lu buat min turun kau tu panjang, tolong. Dia pun kelapa tu kan. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, maju kuasa.
Due to these heavy rains, many areas cannot be reached because the roads are damaged and landslides are still happening, which is showing down rescue operations. In Aceh province, 35 people died, 25 people are missing, 8 people are injured, and also West Sumatra, 23 people died, 12 people are missing, 4 people were injured on 27th evening November 2025. Floods and landslides damaged roads and bridges in many districts, and around 3,900 households had to move to temporary shelters. On Thursday morning, 6.3 magnitude earthquake also struck off the coast of Aceh around the time of 11:56 am, depth in 10 kilometers. BMKG reported that the quake caused light to moderate shaking, but there were no injuries or damage. Mostly West Sumatra is affected by these heavy rains. We can see terrible scenes coming out of West Sumatra in Indonesia, 27th November 2025. A flash floods to swept away so many houses in this area.
Kak, nahanin kereta kita, Kak. Tengoklah ini, Kak. Allah Akbar. Itu. Ya Allah, kali. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. Ya Allah. BNPB ini keadaan di klaster Women
Turun ya di Lumin Park. Kita hari ini pada subuh ini hanyut mobil. Ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Rob, ya Allah, ya Allah, itu mobil hanyut. Ya Allah.
Banjir tetap turun di posisi menghadapi warung Elam itu ini. Ini saya menjauhi. Di warung.
Oh,